Hello everyone, this is Carl from YTO. We are a company that's doing construction machinery and vehicle exhibition for 70 years. Today, we are planning to go to the factory YTO, located in Luoyang, and check the machines. Okay, let's go. Now, we are at the YTO factory. Here are thousands of the tractors are ready to ship into the world, from the 50 horsepower around to the 240 horsepower tractors. This is the main character of the day, the YTO X Series 904 tractors. This series tractors have outstanding performance and have high traction force, which makes them ideal for the farming large scale. Now we are going to check the engine. It equipped with a 4-cylinder diesel engine with 90 horsepower and performs low fuel consumption and environmental protection. And here is in the cab. It is equipped with air conditioner and suspension seat, which create a comfortable driving experience. The interior is in a beautiful shape and you can have wide vision. With multiple gear options, a wide speed range, and smooth steering, this tractor delivers powerful performance and exceptional handling, ensuring high efficiency in the field. YTO is a world-famous construction machinery brand and mainly focused on tractors. They have around 70 years experience of making tractors. Almost all the needs on the machines can be sufficed in YTO.